Harnessing data cloud potential for Salesforce admins. Salesforce has long been a key CRM solution. With the rise of cloud tech, its platform has only grown more powerful. One of the most transformative tools for Salesforce admins is the Data Cloud. As organizations collect customer data, admins must know how to manage, store, and use it. Understanding the Salesforce Data Cloud. The Salesforce Data Cloud, or Customer 360 Data Cloud, is a unified platform. It lets organizations join, manage, and analyze data from various sources. It combines data from various sources, such as marketing and sales, into one place. Benefits of the Data Cloud for Salesforce admins. Unified data management. Admins can use Data Cloud to manage vast datasets. It combines data from across the business. This eliminates silos and promotes consistency. Cost and scalability advantages. Cloud storage lets organizations meet growing data needs. It is cost-effective and scalable, as it avoids investing in physical infrastructure. Best practices for optimizing data cloud performance. Data segmentation and categorization. Segment customer data by behavior, demographics, or business needs. This segmentation allows for more focused analytics and marketing strategies. AI-powered automation. Use AI tools to automate tasks, like data cleansing and reporting. Salesforce Einstein can predict which customers are likely to convert or churn. Overcoming challenges in using Data Cloud's data integrations. Complexity. Merging data from many systems can create complexity. Admins collaborate directly with IT personnel. This will ensure smooth data flow and prevent system bottlenecks. Cost management. As data needs grow, storage and compute costs can rise. Salesforce admins must weigh costs against benefits in frequent evaluations. They must optimize their cloud resources without wasting money. Conclusion. In conclusion, Salesforce Data Cloud is a game changer for admins. It helps them centralize and harness the full power of customer data. Integrating it with existing Salesforce products can help admins. It will improve data accuracy, streamline workflows, and personalize customer experiences. As cloud-based data management evolves, Salesforce admins must master Data Cloud. Salesforce admins must now embrace the Data Cloud.